Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install POM software. For this, let us open our browser and type POM software download. You can see POM software download. The first one, QM for Windows 5.2 from Informa Technologies Inc. Click on it. Here you have to come down. It says trusted free 11 MB download. Click on this, then click on close. Come here, you can see the file is downloading now. It is POM v5 tailor.exe. It is downloading now. Okay, it will download. We have already downloaded the file. Now let us close this. Exit. We'll go down to downloads. Double click POM software. Do you want to allow this app to make unknown to make changes to your account? Click yes. This is the first page of the installation. Click on next. Next. Here you can enter the detail of your name, university course and browser. Next. Next. Individual student or browser is the option you have to select. Then next. And once you select next, can assist my computer or file. This means that you can start by double clicking on the file or file explorer. You want to do this? Yes, then click on next. Are you ready to install QM5 with Taylor's Management Science textbook? If you click next, it will start installing. So we can click cancel now. I have already installed. Exit setup. Oh, thanks for watching my channel.